Hello, Jess.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from all of us. Wow, what a year in caravanning. This year, Georgia, how many times have you come with us?
None.
Why are you smiling?
No, I've been busy.
Yeah.
Off at uni.
Sammy, how many times have you been with us this year?
None.
She's smiling as well. Look, that's two. What does
You've
that
really
say?
missed it, haven't you?
I have missed sleeping in the same bed as Sammy.
Yeah.
Jess, how many times have you been with us?
Look at us.
Yeah. David,
A lot.
how's it been without the girls and with Jess?
It's been okay.
I'm going to say you've had that big bed all to yourself. I bet it's been more than okay, hasn't it?
Well, I have to share it with that dog sometimes.
Well, not for long. She managed to squeeze her way into our little bed.
Yeah, mostly she spends her time on our bed, doesn't she? Okay, so we're going to do a quick review of the sites we went to in 2021. We didn't do February half term because we couldn't.
Yes.
Did we?
Or
So-
Easter.
No, couldn't do any of those things because we were locked down.
Yeah, lockdown.
Our first trip away was to the Devices Caravan and Camping site in April. Do you remember that, David?
No.
Can you remember anything about the Devices Caravan and Camping site?
I was at home.
No. I
Okay.
don't remember.
I remember that.
Can you
You
remember
were
the
at
site
home.
at all? 'Cause
I
you've
didn't
been.
go with you.
No, I know, but can you remember the site? We've been there a few times.
It's the one opposite Longley.
No, that's called the Longleat site.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's
No,
what it devises.
Devices Caravan and Camping Club is the one near to the Cane Hill Locks.
Oh!
With the canal behind it and the barges.
I
Yeah.
remember the barges in the canal and the locks. I don't remember the campsite.
Do you
Case where you go for a walk and then
Yeah.
you're out for 3 hours.
Yeah.
I think
But
she
we-
farted as well.
Sure that one.
Oh!
No, I just heard her. I just heard her
Sit
fart.
down.
I just heard her fart.
We did go to the pub in the cold. It was really cold, wasn't it, Steve? Do you remember?
Yes, it was. That was the first time you were able to eat outside because they had a big marquee type thing.
And we thought it would be great eating outside, didn't we?
You won't be doing that again. There's a reason why you don't eat out in this country. That'll be it.
Yeah. So we went-
Where do we go next, though? Where do we go
Okay,
next?
after that, we moved on pretty quickly to the Centenary site in the New
Oh,
Forest.
yeah, that was good. Absolutely packed. One of
Yeah.
their biggest sites, but it was really, really busy. Not surprisingly, because that's the first time that everybody could really properly get
Yeah.
out.
And there were two big memories that I had. The children laugh at me. I saw some woodpeckers. They were the red, white and black ones.
Yeah.
And I made Dad stop the car and I ran back to the woodland. We stood there for ages with the camera. Like, you could see them flitting, but I could never get them, could I?
No, but we did get horses. Do you
Oh,
remember
it was
that?
amazing. We went for this walk, and that's my strongest memory of that one.
Yeah.
We went for a walk, and there were loads of New Forest ponies, and we wandered in the bushes in the scrub, and the sky was really black, like it was going to rain, wasn't it? And I was bemoaning the fact there were no ponies, and I don't know whether we're in this copse filming or something, flowers or something, and suddenly there was this rustling, and these three ponies came in, didn't they?
Yeah.
Behind us, and we managed to film them. They totally ignored us,
Brilliant.
like we weren't there, wasn't it?
Yeah, very
That was
good.
really lovely, that. And also, we went to,
See you,
I'm trying to
Jane.
think there was a place near there that we went to, and I can't remember what it was called. Like Ferraris, loads of them. You'll have to look back
Yes,
and see that, okay. And then we went to Pat's Corner.
I enjoyed that site.
You came with us for that, didn't you?
And so did Granny, and she came up and see us as
We
well.
saw Granny, didn't we? Do you remember?
Oh yeah, because you were annoyed that we didn't come see you.
What? Where were you?
David saw me!
Yes!
That's why you were there!
Yes, and Granny.
Oh no, we were not there just for you.
Yes.
But we did have a day out in Exeter, and that was fabulous, wasn't
That was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was that when we had that really nice lunch at the place on the water?
Yeah.
Yes, Mill on the Axe.
it? Mill on the X.
And we
Yeah.
went to George's Digs, and we walked along the canal, didn't we, for bloody ages.
It's a very long quay.
And that site was a little site, but I like that site.
Yeah, it was good.
It was Bluebells. We walked up through the Bluebell Wood.
That's
Do you
right. And it
remember?
was, remember all the fog that came down, that bloke doing
yeah,
his
yeah,
Oculus
yeah.
thing.
Yeah, there was a bloke that stood outside doing his little
Outrage.
VR headset. So he was outside, this guy, when he randomly doing this with his headset
Yeah,
on outside. I mean,
Oh,
age.
yeah.
All right, go on. Where else? Where else?
We moved on. So our summer holiday this year. All right. So Georgia, what did you do for your summer holidays this
I
year?
worked and then I went on a.
You were selling ice cream.
I was selling ice creams all the time, and then I went for a week away with my friends.
Where was that?
Hereford.
That's where you go. It's a beach holiday, wasn't it, in Hereford?
It was not a beach holiday in Hereford.
And what did you do over the summer?
What did you do, Sam?
I just worked. I don't really remember, to be honest.
It's like that when you're that age. And David, what did you do?
I looked after Jess at home.
As me, went on our first
Wee.
holiday on our own.
Went to museums and things like that. It was
Yes.
great.
Oh, we went to Start Bay and we in South Devon, which was lovely. We found out that Dartmouth is glorious.
Yeah, round robin
Lovely,
trip stuff.
lovely
Yeah,
place.
fabulous.
That was good. We found out the roads around there are a bit of a nightmare.
Oh yes,
Start Bay Point.
yes.
whatever it was
Bit
called.
bit compact to be used. Some of them
Yeah.
roads.
Especially in our car. Where else do we go? Totnes, like Totnes.
Yeah, that was
A
alright.
lot.
Yeah, it's good place. Good, great 2 weeks.
Yeah.
No kids, no dog.
And I really like the Agatha Christie house.
We
I
are
bought-
a joy to be around. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
what
are.
about us? Are we? Right, okay. And then we went, after that, we did the August Bank Holiday weekend in Ilminster.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my
Liked
god.
Ilminster, didn't you?
No, it was dreadful.
Why was it dreadful?
Was it the wing walking experience or the fact that Mum was getting on the sup experience?
Huh?
The paddleboard.
Oh, no, the whole thing. I didn't like it. It was boring.
Why was it boring?
Chard was disgusting. Ilminster was dull. Yeah.
Chard was run down. Winter was disgusting.
It
and
was not
everybody-
run down. If a wet flannel was a place, it would be charred.
And also, they did ask, all the businesses were asking for cash, which we have not got used to. have we?
Especially with COVID, I don't know why they'd ask for cash.
Don't you?
Taxes.
You do.
Yeah,
That's
Taxes,
called
probably.
tax.
It's
So
really bad.
that place was okay. I thought it was good.
That's all right. I
And,
like
um,
Ilminster. I know it was a bit closed, but
But obviously, David didn't.
yeah.
So boring.
The site was nice. It was really for a couple.
Surely you'd like taking the mick out of Mum on that paddleboard.
Just sit.
Our October weekend in half term was Malvern Hills.
Oh.
See ya.
The Malvern Hills. Do you remember that? I liked the Bluebell Inn pub. We went there a couple of times. You like that?
Oh yeah, that was nice actually.
I like the discount.
Yeah, 20% discount. That was worth having. One
Yeah,
at Bluebell Inn. Did we do Malvern Hills
We
itself?
went on the
yeah.
hills,
Yeah, we did. That was nice.
but you don't like being talked to when we're going up a hill.
No,
so-
I can't. I ain't got breath. Have I to talk?
Well,
It's
we
as much
do.
as I can do to walk up.
Georgia has breath and she has asthma.
Well, I do have no breath. So shut up. And then our final hurrah was actually just you, Steve, wasn't it? You went away for a few days.
Yes, just a bit of peace and quiet to be able to put some films together actually without
Yeah.
you lot being there, which was quite good. But that and the highlight of my other daughter, not you two, the other one, getting married. So that was quite good. And trying to prepare the father of the bride's speech.
Yes.
That was interesting.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah. All in all, I thought that was a pretty good, quite fun-packed holiday season,
It was.
really.
We did quite a lot. I mean, we still did. Well, you did 43 nights, which isn't bad in a COVID lockdown.
Well,
year.
exactly. They're missing the first 4
Yeah.
months.
Yeah, and we did 41 nights.
But we have booked for next year for some stuff.
So this is our wish list for 2022. Given we're still not quite clear what's going to
That's
happen.
if we don't get locked down again.
Yes.
Yes.
So we hope to go to Chester.
Oh, well, see, the Chester one is unusual because if you have a look on the Caravan Motor Club's site, there's not many places you can book for all year round, and February is in the all year round bit. So that's why we're going up to Chester. And that's the half-term week in February.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a look around there,
Yeah.
Liverpool and stuff. You know, that
We're
should be
going to
alright.
do a couple of sort of Wales trips, aren't we?
Yes, because our
Welsh
theme
Wales
this year
trips.
is Welsh Wales.
Wales trips. So, and also we hope, all being well, to be heading off to Italy in the summer. Italy.
Well, we tried to go to France last year. Actually, it's a bit of a plus in so much that we did all the bookings through the Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and they had no quibbles and just gave us a full refund on absolutely everything. So that gave us the confidence to rebook again this year and just move the train that we had last year to this year and then book France and Italy.
Yeah.
So our children are happier with that, aren't they?
So
Look at David. Is he nodding?
You're coming, aren't you?
David's nodding.
Sam, possibly?
Possibly.
Possibly, maybe.
And George's dog sitting.
It's dog sitting.
The best of all the options.
But because she's a student, she needs to work and earn some spond.
I do, yes.
See, now we're going to Wales. What do you think Mum's going to be like going up Penny Fan?
We're not doing
And, and behind that waterfall where you can actually look out.
Oh, I remember that, yeah.
We've done that.
That's in Wales.
I'll be slow.
We've done that now.
But we're behind the waterfall thing. If you remember, I did actually do that. It was Dad who didn't. Stop it. So, in 2022, we'll be getting on the Eurostar again, and you'll be really excited about that, wouldn't you, Georgia? If you were coming, because you like the Eurostar a lot, don't you?
And how many hours did we sit on that, David? 8.
Well, the
8 hours in the queue.
It's supposed to be quick, isn't it? Like half an hour.
Yeah, but 35 minutes or something. Yeah.
Yeah, but an 8-hour wait is quick.
Yeah, but that's because they had no aircon and they couldn't fix. Anyway, it's a nightmare. So hopefully this time be
That
better.
wasn't the most exciting moment, though, was it, Georgia? For you?
The 8-hour wait.
Yeah.
We get there, we're about to get on. I'm like, you know what? Short will put me up. I'll get a coffee. Splash out and get a £2 coffee.
From
This
a vending machine.
And it just gives me hot water and milk. And I was like, and for a minute I was like, I could drink it. I didn't know. So hopefully you guys can get a coffee this time.
I don't know. Is getting a curry on a ferry any good at 4 o'clock in the morning?
Curry, yeah, that was pretty.
Having a curry at like 4 AM.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's just hope that the Eurostar isn't as stuffy as the last time, but let's just hope it's quicker. Anyway, so that's it then, folks. We'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas!
Yay! Now I thought I'd address you on my own without everybody else sat here, because what I'm going to have to do, and it is a have to, and I'm sorry for having to do this, is cut down the amount of filming that I'm doing for our channel. Instead of being once a week to every 2 weeks, at least for the first 3 months. The reason for that is my father passed away quite recently, and because I now have to clear up the entire estate with my brother, I'm not really knowing what's involved in all that, so that's probably going to be taking up more of my time than we normally expect. However, I'm going to say it's a bit of a relief in one sense. He has been quite ill with dementia and things like that for the last couple of years, so finally we're at a position where we said goodbye and he slipped away in his sleep, which is very good from my point of view. So most of me feels a bit of relief, but it's still going to be quite hard clearing everything up. So anyway, on that note, have a good Christmas, have a good New Year, and we will see you soon.